Yo, Cam, man, what's good, YT, man? No cap, man. I ain't talking about YouTube, man. I'm talking about all the young turn niggas out there, man. No cap. And today, bro, in today's video, bro, I'm going for a walk in nature, bro. Pause, chill, pause. Look, peep that sub count, man. Nigga had 56 subscribers, bro. I really believe by the end of this video, we can get to 57 subscribers, bro. No cap. I really believe that. Truly in my heart type shit. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, no cap. But first, brother, it's July 1st, and I'm participating in this challenge for AB. But, like, I'm really not in the challenge, but, like, I'm gonna do it myself type shit. You know what I mean? Because I just fuck with brother channel right now, brother. If y'all don't know AB Academy, bro, y'all go tune into that, man, no cap. So today, I'm about to just get up and just show y'all, like, my daily morning routine right quick. For July, though. I ain't gonna cap. I'm just not starting this. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. No cap. I'm just not starting this bit in July. I'm about to see how this bit go. No cap. So, I'm gonna get to y'all when I start working out. No cap. I already had to work out in my phone, but I had to just write that bit down because I'm recording on my phone. No cap. I'm recording on my phone. Wait, can y'all see y'all can see the mirror? No. Type shit. I'm recording on my phone. It's about to start the mirror. Fuck it. But look, boom, I gotta be quiet, cause brother, it's literally fucking, it's 4:30 in the morning, bro. It's 4:30 in the morning, the whole crib sleep, bro. I'm really on this grind, brother. I'm not playing. I can show y'all the challenge, like, I'm dead ass serious, Okay. This the morning workout I'm about to do. The first part of the workout, that bit gonna be in my room. The second part, move that bit to the garage. Y'all just gonna see. Boom. This the morning workout, bruv. This the morning workout. 3 sets of pull-ups. 3 sets of 25 push-ups. 3 sets of dips. 3 lunges. No cap. CR's calf raises, no cap. And this the challenge I'm doing, bruv. That's the July challenge. Morning routine, I gotta find a morning routine. I'm working on that right now. It's only the 1st of July. Workout every day. I'm doing 2 days now, no cap, because I got a morning workout and I'm gonna do the afternoon workout I plan to finish. Y'all stay tuned for those 2. Read 2 Bible chapters, no cap. He in his challenge he had read 10 pages, but I'm trying to focus more on my Lord and Savior God more. So I'm gonna read 2 Bible chapters every day. No sugar, no alcohol, no weed. Every day. No cap. No cap. Y'all wanna see the vid I did? Y'all gonna get this vid after. Y'all most likely gonna get this vid after. Oh, my fault. After I turn 20, type it. Yeah. After I turn 20, y'all gonna get this vid. Most likely. So, like, at the end of the month. So, yeah. It's July 1st right now, bro. I'm gonna do this every single day. Okay. I hope I ain't wake nobody up. Cause fuck it. Boy, lucky I'm messing with you. I'm about to work out with no music. You serious, time? No music, dang. It's good. We knock this first pull-ups on right there. Okay. Hey man, pull up ain't easy, gang. That shit hurt it, gang. Okay, I got 3 sets of those, bro. 3 sets is crazy. 3 sets is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna get that done though. Shirt tucked in, you know it's strictly business, gang. Okay. I get 6. So 6 more, that's 12. Come on, do the math. Hold on, bro. Fuck. Last shot, man. Let's get it. Gang, don't tell me nothing about going all the way down. Shit hurt, bro. Look, I'm progressing as the shit go on, bro. I'm telling you, I already sweating, bro. It's 4:30 in the morning. I ain't supposed to be sweating, bro. Fuck am I doing? Let me be quiet. Yeah, boy, sure know the next one. I got 25 push-ups, man. Let's get it. I'm shut up. I'm a fat nigga. Look up. Fat girl. Shit. Hey, let me see how that look right. Hey, my fault, bro. I bet it was going up all the way. That shit hurt, man. It's melting me, bro. I promise that shit hurt. Okay. I'm doing this shit. That team was sense. Good. You sure? No. Like 15 minutes. Hey, bro, I got 2 cents in me, man. Okay. Alright, tell me. Me too. Let me buy the cat for this. Last 2 seconds. Yeah, excuse me. Let me tell you. Bro. My knees fucking hurt. Okay. shit fucked up. My knees fucked up. That's why I ain't going all the way down. I just a fat ass. Nah, chill. Nigga got lunges. That shit. It would be. Nigga did 2 shit, but I ain't gonna cap. Nigga might do better. As the days go on type shit. The next clip y'all should see me on that trail. Okay. Yo, cap, man. I told y'all boys, nigga about to go fuck with the trail, man. No cap. Be here, no cap, bro. It's the trails. Stupid, bro. I'm just, bro. The trail back up, bro. Look, bro. I'm about to enjoy this bitch, bro, right quick. Then when I'm walking back, I got y'all. I'm gonna talk to them. I'm about to listen to some music, bro. Let me catch a vibe right quick, gang. No cap. It's 7 a.m., bro. Let me just catch a vibe right quick. No cap, I'm gonna get back to y'all, boy. Okay. Man, I can't, bro. Nigga found some cold shit, like, I know I just said I'm about to give up smoking for this month, but like, damn, like, I should come pearl of wood over this bit, like, you feel me? Like, like, I should come, you know? This bitch swag, folks. Like, you know? They come do a whole workout in this bitch. This bitch swag, bro. No cap. This swag. This is a calm area. No cap. Pond and shit over there. I fuck with it. It's some swag shit. They really got some woods. I'm about to go walk over. I think them bitches over there. Woods. Yeah, bro. I'm fucking with it, bro. It's a vibe. Some calm shit by myself. I gotta bring my little shit out here. No cap. I gotta bring a couple of shit. I'm just no cap. Oh shit. This bitch swag. Like, I wonder, like, if I jump in the pool, like, nah, I ain't even gonna think about that. I said the pool, but that's a whole pond. This shit dirty as fuck. This shit dirty as fuck. Fuck in here. Fuck. Brother, I saw a turtle. Brother, as soon as I came walking in this bit, I saw a whole turtle. That bit big as fuck. No cap. Turtle big as my big ass toe. Look at this. I saw that turtle. I clean walked out of the way. I ain't gonna lie. No cap. This shit swag. Like it's a vibe. Like, I'm gonna have this shit in my backyard. Like, no cap. I heard something jumping. That bitch might be jumping towards me. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna kick that bitch. No cap. She doing jumping towards her. Like, feel me? I hope the sun is not in my face. Oh, that bitch probably is. Hold on, bro. We had trail in the woods. I told y'all about that bit over there. I see some shit right here that I'm not supposed to be doing. So I'm about to fucking some shit right here. Feel me? What does this shit stink? A turd need to come up to that nigga. Ooh, what them niggas put their boats in this bitch? I think niggas put their boats in her. Brother, like, y'all wanna see my shoes? I stole these bitch from mom's. Y'all, oh, them bitches fire. Yo, Cal, like, let me know if y'all rock them in the comments. Like, y'all rock them shoes? I rock them shoes. Shit, I'm rocking them right now. No cap. They not the most comfortable, they swag though. Brother, if I get hit with one more spider web I do, bro, bitch, I'm flying back to the car. No cap, fool. That shit is disgusting. Like a fucking web on my, like, no, bro. Like, that shit just get my body chill. Like, that shit ick me out. Like, then I thought white dude was about to chill. That bitch had a dog. Like, I thought that bitch was about to let his dog loose. No cap. It was a small ass chihuahua, but still, I was gonna kick that bitch. But still, like, I don't wanna play with no dog, sir. It's too early in the morning for that. Brother, I feel good. Like, it's a vibe all the time. It's a vibe all the time. It's a vibe. It's a, like this type of shit like this make me want to sing. Like, I should sing for y'all, but I ain't gonna fuck with it. Nah, I'm gonna fuck with it. What I can say? I'm just saying. Like, that water just like look so jumpinable. Like, it don't. That bitch just look. I could do a fucking cannonball in that bitch. Oh shit. Boy, y'all see them two turtles, bitch? Bitch. Oh fuck no, that bitch just dipped his head. Oh fuck no, both of them bitches just dipped their head. Y'all like, what the fuck I'm talking about? This dumbass camera can't catch that shit. No cap. I feel like they coming my way, so that's my cue to like just get the fuck from their territory type shit. And I'm about to go fuck with this trail. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go fuck with this trail. Better like, when I get some paper, niggas be talking about they wanna live in the hills, gang. Bro. But anyways, for like, oh no. Anyways, bro, I gotta keep on checking if I'm recording or not, bro. That shit gonna piss me off, bro. Real shit. But anyways, bro, like I was saying, like in the country with my paint game, like, bro, bitch, I'm getting all the ATV rides at my crib, brother. Come fuck with the four-wheelers, you know? I'm building a whole dirt track on my land, bro. That's all on my land, bro, no cap. In the hills, bitch, you don't got no space to do none of that shit. You gonna have to go pay somebody else to get on this shit. Like, better know, better. Country, brother. Bitch, I'm getting my own shit. My name, I'm ride that bitch whenever I want. No cap. My keys on that bitch. Get the fuck up, Trey. I'm not playing with you, bro. That's your second time doing that, bro. What is wrong with dude? But anyways, bro, I'm getting my own ATV. They gonna have the fishing poles at my shit. We gonna be fishing. Had a lapine for everybody. No cap. We gonna be lit. Bro. We had a lapine. What else? What else we can put in the country, bro? What else, bro? I know I'm missing some shit, bro. I'm building buku houses back there. But if that train keep on going, I'm gonna just go do something to the conductor of that bitch. Okay. Brother, nigga might be coming out here more often, bro. I ain't gonna cap, like, fuck with this, like, my B. I fuck with this, like, it's some sad shit. Brother, ain't no fucking way, bro. Oh my lord. Ain't no way I was recording backwards, bro. Ain't no way I was recording backwards, bro. Man, y'all keeping it. I'm keeping that shit. Fuck. Y'all gonna fuck with us, huh? Y'all gonna fuck with us. I'm keeping that shit. Fuck. Oh, that been hard. Fuck. Brother, lazy dumb is so fucking funny, bro. That bitch said, fuck. Oh, fuck. Look out, fuck. Okay, bro, fuck with it. Oh. Nigga took a walk in nature with y'all boys. Y'all fuck with it? Y'all need some more of these bitches? I don't want no more of these bitches, man. If y'all want some more of these bitches, man, like, comment, subscribe to this motherfucking channel, man. Don't care, bro. Bro, the nigga had 56 subscribers, bro. Tomorrow, by the time this bitch drop, we gotta be at 57, huh? Like, one of y'all fuck nigga gotta fuck with toy. Like, nigga at 56 right now, like, you gotta be at 57 by the time they be dropped type shit. Feel me? Feel me? Y'all getting this bit after I turn 20. That vlog gonna be lit. I'm already knowing that bit gonna be lit. I'm speaking into existence. Oh, bro, the fuck. Okay. I'm gonna fuck with y'all about it, dude, man. I'm about to enjoy the rest of this time back to the whip. Feel me? Yeah, mess with me.